Sales agent ka ba? You're selling properties, skincare, sabon, insurances, or any products and services. But, until now, natatakot ka pa din sa rejection? Or maybe iniisip mong pumasok sa ganitong career, kaya lang ang tanong mo palagi, paano kapag na-reject ako? Shoutout pala dito sa nag-post neto kasi this really hit me hard and ito yung reason bakit ko kinreate itong video na to because ang dami kong realizations. And sa totoo lang, rejection is normal. Lahat kami dumaan dyan. Nag-message ka na pero sinzoned. Yung nag-ayos ka for a call or a Zoom meeting, tapos hindi ka sinipot, yung tinodo mo na lahat. Girl, kasama pati patot panabla. Pero ang sagot sa'yo, pas muna ako. Masakit? Oo. Nakakapagod? Totoo. Pero worth it. 100% yes. Hi, I'm Bri. I'm IT by profession. I'm a manager for 6 years in Sun Life and a 10-year financial advisor. And I'm helping more than 1,000 families right now. To be exact, parang mga 1,400 yung clients ko. Ngayon, masasabi ko talaga that I experience thousands of rejections. Pwede ko i-share sa inyo to, guys. Here's the fact. Every rejection is redirection. Bawat no is isang step papunta sa yes na para talaga sa'yo. And hindi ka naman tinanggihan dahil may mali sa'yo. Minsan, hindi lang talaga sila ready and okay lang yon. Ang mahalaga, hindi ka tumigil. Some people will say no even before you finish your sentence. Minsan, hindi sila nag-reply. Minsan, nagbabago pa yung isip nila last minute. Always remember, rejection is not personal. Every no brings you closer to a yes. Every failed invite builds your strength. Every ignored message trains your mindset. Kung isa kang financial advisor or sales agent or aspiring pa lang, don't let fear stop you. May system, may training and support so hindi ka nag-iisa. Rejection is part of your journey but so is growth, success, and purpose. Kaya laban lang girl. So kung may pumipigil pa sa'yo dahil ayaw mong ma-reject, huwag ka mag-alala, dumaan kami dyan. But if you're looking for a career with a purpose where you earn, grow, and uplift others, then you'll realize rejection isn't something to fear. It's something you learn to rise from. So guys, let's normalize rejection. Keep showing up because someone out there is waiting for you. And they need you. So guys, if you found this content valuable, share this to your family and friends. Bye!